Chilside crew. This is Miss Garcia here. It's been a little bit of time since I made my last video, but I wanted to bring you guys some new content. Um, what I wanted to do is actually show you guys how to use the program that I used yesterday to make that video I showed in class. And this program is called Animoto. Animoto is free to use, and it's something that I use a lot when I'm making videos for all types of events, and I wanted to give you guys the opportunity to try also. So the first thing you have to do is you actually have to sign up. So you can use your email for your school email, personal email, whatever you want. Sign up and make sure you hit. You can use educational, whatever one you want, but I already have an account, so I'm going to go ahead and log in to my account here, if I remember what it is. You guys can't see my password, okay? Okay, so I'm going to sign in, and looks like I didn't get it right. Alright, so these are all the videos that I've made in the past. Now, unfortunately, of course, like with anything that gets popular, they start to have services that you have to pay for. So when you make the video, it'll be free, but however, it'll have the watermark on it. You have to pay to get that removed, but you don't really, I don't know, it's whatever to me. I mean, it bothers some people, but to me, it still does the job. So this is just a collection of videos that I do have. So yeah, that's that. Now, I want to create, so I'm going to go to create, and I'm going to show you what this looks like. So there's different kinds of videos here. The one we want to do is the one for memories, so Animoto memories. So go ahead and click create. And then here are basically some samples of how your images are going to basically play out. So it's like a little mini video. The ones that say premium, those basically you have to have pay for them, but like say if I click this one right here, it's free. It'll give me a sample of what the video looks like if I were to use it. So you can get an idea which one you like. So pick whatever one you like that you think is cool, and go from there. I think I'm gonna go ahead and try something a little different. They have all of them here. You can do all and get some more variety here. So I just clicked all here, and again, as long as it doesn't have premium on the corner, you can use it. I'm gonna try this one, this Brilliance one. Let's see what this looks like. So this is kind of the layout of what it's gonna look like. Okay, I really like this. I think it's good for now, so I'm gonna hit create video. And then here, you have, what I love about this is very basic. So on the left-hand side, you have, this is where you can change, if you change your mind about your video, you can go back here and do that. You can add a logo if you like. You can make your own logo. I don't really use this one very often, but if any of you are into branding or stuff like that, you can totally play around with this, but I haven't really played around with this too much. But it does kind of give you like different types of things you can do. And then this one is the add pictures and videos. Yes, you can actually add videos, and it lets you add as many videos as the amount of time there is. So this song is called Beautiful Being, and this is actually, if you click change song, you can pick from their own selection here. You can also upload your own song. Just know that there are there's like hardcore copyright stuff for this. So say if I click Iron Maiden, it either might or might not let me upload it on there. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. Sometimes I'll use YouTube Converter to be able to add a song on there. So let's say so you can type in whatever, run to. I'm not gonna put the actual artist name because I have a feeling if I do that, it might not let me do it. So I have a total of 6 minutes and 54 seconds of content I can add on here. Now, I want to start adding my videos, so I'm going to click this plus sign. There's two options here. This one is the one for videos and photos, and this one is actually adding text. So if I want to put 2019 or 18 memories, put a little various images. You can be more specific, obviously, but or you can say bye, bye, Miss Garcia. So this is going to be my intro video here. You can't really, the only thing is you can't really edit it. Now here you'll see there's two things at the bottom. One is a spotlight and one says trash. So if you don't like it, you can delete it. And the star basically kind of extends it more. So like say I want this to emphasize more, I highlight that. Now I'm going to start adding my video, my photos. So I'm going to go here. And what's cool is you can actually add a whole bunch of stuff. Like say I have like my Instagram or whatever. You know, whatever, authorized, blah, blah, blah. And I can just go in here and I can literally just take, you know, whatever I want from just anything. This is actually pretty cool. Now, unfortunately for you guys, you won't be able to do that because the internet on our Chromebooks is blocked. So you're going to probably have to upload your images, or you're going to have to use Dropbox. They also have their own photos and stuff that you can use, so I'm going to go and demonstrate it this way. So I'm going to go to upload, and I'm going to just try to find some pictures that I have. Just, you know, maybe some of these various ones. You can actually just go and highlight all of this stuff, and then it'll upload all of it on here. And then, so like I can arrange some stuff. I can click the plus again, go back in, upload, and then, you know, go back here and find some more stuff. I mean, I have like various things here. Some more content, more things. These are all from basically last year. You know, I can just highlight a whole bunch of this stuff, hit open. And I know how I've got so much stuff here. Yeah, this is barely 2 minutes worth of content here. So again, more stuff that I can add. And I can, what's cool is like I can actually move these around. I can add little captions if you click it. If you click the image, it says add caption. You can say tessellation project by whoever. Joe Schmo. Save it. That's going to pop up and that's going to be there. You can decide to rotate the image if you want it a specific way. You can highlight it if you want it to last longer, or you can delete it if you don't want to add. And again, you can move things around. You can put it in order. You just hold it and drag it, and it'll shift the spots. And then for videos, so say I want to add a video. Okay, so I'm going to go here. Obviously, it can't be a very long one because you're going to waste all the amount of time that you have. Let me see. I don't know if I actually have a video in here, but let me see what I have in here. Well, it doesn't look like I really have one. Let me see if I can add a GIF in here. I might have a GIF. Oh, okay. Maybe not. Oh, okay. I know this is a GIF. Let's see if this works. Okay, so this is kind of taking a while, but you can put GIFs in here. I think it'll work. You can do like videos that you have on your phone, like short videos, obviously, like stuff from Instagram. I don't know what this says. This image is too small, it may look blurry. Okay, well that's fine, whatever. I can move this around, and then, you know, again, I can play around. I can add some more text, like I can section it off, so I can say like artwork, student artwork. High school. That, then I'm like, oh, I want to drag this, so I'm gonna put this where all the student work is. This is all other people's work. And then I can just go ahead and maybe I want to just check it out. You can also duplicate if you want. Again, you can rotate, you can spotlight stuff to make it last longer. You can add the text. It's pretty much it. Like it's pretty basic. This is just like a description thing. So let's just kind of do a preview of the video. And it'll generate the preview. Give it some time, obviously. Like I said, I'll show you guys how to do the YouTube converting thing. This is how usually I'm able to add songs, but you can't put the name of the song because if you do, it'll track it and it won't let you add it. So see, here it is. Just kind of ignore the watermark stuff. Like I said, if you want to get rid of it, you have to pay, which kind of sucks. All my favorite programs is like all this stuff you have to do now. But I still want to show you guys this because why not, you know? If you guys have like a presentation for like a class and you want to like do something more fun and different, this is like a really cool way of doing it. And the idea, what I really want you guys to do is to play around with this and come up with a cool video. But obviously the theme, I want it to be art related. Let's kind of forward. I want to see if that. Let's see if that. Let's see if I that. Let's see if that. Well, let's go. Just here we go. Oh, I guess it didn't really work, but that's fine. So say I really like this video. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hit produce, and then I am going to basically, hit finish. I hit the finish button, and then I can figure out what kind of video quality. The higher, the better. Obviously, over here, your date that you're published, description of what it is, student work. Finish. Please update this video's title. And then I'm going to publish it. And it'll finalize it. And as it's doing that, you can actually save all of these onto here. But what I want you to do is I want you to download it, okay? And you can download the MP4 version. And I want you basically to upload this onto the onto the thing that we have going on here. So yeah, obviously you can play it and test it out again. You can have a lot of fun with this. Yeah. So anyways, that's how you use Animoto. And like the theme I want you guys to focus on basically is something art related. Like it can be music, it can be art, it can be fashion, it can be some kind of food, the art of something. What does art mean to you? And so the idea is that. But if you have any other questions or anything, let me know. And yeah, have fun.